How to enable one-handed mode on Android phones. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn on one-handed mode on your Android device. Let's just get started. First off, you want to go over to settings, and from settings, you want to find your accessibility settings and tap on it. From accessibility settings, go to interaction and dexterity. And here you should find something called one hand option. If you don't see it here, just go back and find advanced features. Find the one-handed mode here. Make sure to toggle this on and tap on it to adjust its gesture. So the first gesture here is to swipe down on your home panel. So from the home bar down below, just swipe down and your one hand mode should be turned on just like so. Now it will just temporarily scale down your device for easier control of your phone with just one hand. You can move it with the arrow on the either side of your screen. Just tap on the arrow and it will move it. Now if you want to bring it to original size again, just swipe down from home screen again and it's going to bring you to your original size. You can also adjust it, move it up or down depending on your choice, and you're good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.